everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler. I'm back with another video. In today's video, what happened right there? I noticed a clean shirt. Maybe that's powder from when I... Okay, anyway, so I just got out the shower. I had my bonnet on because I just got out of the shower and like literally just got out the shower, moisturized and everything. It seems like, I don't know what it is, but the male person always comes when I'm either taking a shower or when I just get out of the shower, like. And then they don't never like, you know, they just set it on the porch. Don't knock on the door, don't do nothing. Like, I know he didn't knock on the door because I had seen the UPS truck. I had just got out the shower. I seen the UPS truck. Didn't do nothing. Anyway, I got a package. I got a package from Target. I'm always getting a package from Target. And this is actually stuff that I need. Like stuff, like my essentials. So, I'm glad it came when it did. Because I actually need to put some of this stuff on right now. This is my Black Girl Sunscreen. I'm just going to use it. I'm running low, child. So... Excuse me though, my face is really dry. I just did my whole skincare routine with the last of what I had left of my skincare stuff. So the glow, it's the glow for me. Okay, so anyways, let's just get right into this package. All right, now, one thing I love about Target is they packaging be on point. Like, look at that. Everything is nice, sealed, taped up, and packaged. So the first thing we're just gonna talk about this because I actually need it. So this is the Old Spice Wilderness Lavender Deodorant. Now, I know y'all like, Kyla, that's for me. Well, I was on TikTok and I had seen this girl talk about this deodorant. And then I had went in the comment section and they all was like, yeah, it smells so good. It smells so good. And it lasts all day. This is the deodorant that I had used, right? This is the Native tie-dye vanilla cupcake. This, I'm not going to say it was trash. I'm going to say it didn't work for me. That's a better way to put it. Because it didn't. It did not work for me at all. So I had to get me another deodorant, you know what I'm saying? It's finna be summertime. The natural deodorants is cute for the winter, but I live in California. We need something a little bit more heavier, you get what I'm saying? So I decided to get this. This is the Old Spice Lavender deodorant, and I'm gonna put it on right now actually because I need to put on some deodorant because I just got out the shower. I have a problem with opening things with my teeth. So I'm trying to stop doing that. So I'm going to use this alternative by rolling it up and taking it out. Ooh, hold on. This is not for men. This is not for men. No. This is not. Why does it smell like that? Ooh, it glide on nice too. This is not for men. It smells like I'm getting Dove. For this to be a male deodorant, no. Triple protection, fresher than daydreams. Okay. This smells really, really good for it to be a, this smells really feminine for it to be a male deodorant. And there's some other ones that I want to try too. Like they said the Timber one was good, the Fiji one. They had I'm just gonna try all of these because yeah. So yeah, let's see how that worked for me. But yeah, a lot of the girlies, it was like, you know, male deodorant lasts better. Oh my god, I have missed you so. Y'all, this is the Soap and Glory vitamin C facial wash. This is what I use on my face. I miss this so much. It's $10.99 at Target or $11.99, whichever one. I think it's $11. I'm not sure, but you get, how much do you get? You get 8 ounces for $11. So I mean 8 ounces, 11.8 ounces for $11. I feel like that's damn good, you get what I'm saying? So yes, I love this. I think they have new packaging. The one that I had did not look like this, but the one that I had was also old as well. This is going to last you a long time. You do not, once you buy one of these, you're not gonna need another one for a little minute, you get what I'm saying? And I wash my face morning, bed, morning, bed, morning, bed, morning, night, morning, day, night, day, night, day, night. I wash my face 2 times a day. So yeah, I miss this. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Oh y'all, I don't feel like y'all understand. Like I had to use something else on my face today, and I was just like, I don't like this. I don't want to, like. But yeah, Soap and Glory vitamin C facial wash. I love it. The next thing is my Black Girl sunscreen. Y'all know I had to get another one. This one is pretty much almost gone, but I'm, you know, still using it. I'm not gonna open this one until I was just getting anxiety. Like, do y'all get anxiety when something runs out or when something is running low and you don't have another one, like a backup? That really just messes with my mental and it doesn't make me feel okay. Like now I feel safe because I have another one, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this in a drawer and we still gonna use this one, but I have a backup. And yes, this is exactly what I need. This is going to last you a long time as well because you're only using like a couple little dots a day. And I actually use this for my moisturizer as well. Like it's sunscreen, but I use it for, y'all see me use this, you know what I'm saying? So I use it for like, I need some lip. I need something on my lips. You lying? Come on now. Get it together. But yeah, I need something on my lips because it's bothering me. I'm just gonna put this Fenty Beauty on because it's the only thing. But that Black Girl sunscreen, child, is so good. Absolutely love it. Try it. If you don't like it, I don't know. I feel like you are. Wait a minute. I don't know what this is saying. Hold on. Okay, so this is, so there's definitely a difference in the one. Like I said, y'all, I don't re-up that much because my stuff lasts, so I'm seeing some differences and I'm glad I looked at it. So the one that I'm using says 30 and the one that this one is says 50. Do you see that? This one is the one that I've been using and this is the new one. This says 50 and then it says make it hybrid mineral combo. See that? This says make it hybrid mineral combo. That's not on this one. This one says moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. So there is a difference. They have upgraded, I'm guessing, the ingredients. Let me see real quick. Oh Lord, some of the ingredients is scratched off because I had this for so long. Child. Okay, well, I can't really read the ingredients because some of the ingredients are scratched off because I've had it for so long. But yeah, so this one is 50. And this one also says fragrance free, water resistant, 80 minutes. This one has jojoba and avocado. Okay, so there are some differences, but this one doesn't have a fragrance though. Like the old one, this one doesn't have a fragrance. So it better work the same. That's look, you can change whatever you want to, but it better work the same for my face. That's all I know, because this is all I use. See, I don't like when brands change they shit. Like, it was fine. It was fine. Anyway, next item. This is the last thing too. So this is the leave-in. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I absolutely love this stuff. This is actually what I have in my hair right now at the moment. I did my hair yesterday. I washed my hair yesterday, and as you can see, the twist looks so nice and so freaking juicy. Like, it works really, really well on my damaged pieces in the front of my head. And as you can see, there's really not that much damage. Like, you can see it clearly in the front on the ends, but for the most part, my twists are nice and juicy. They spring up. Like, there's some damage right there, but I already did a trim, so I'm not doing another one. And my twists are just nice and juicy for the most part. Like, look at this one. So yeah, do not cut your hair. Just change your routine and you'll be fine. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, this smells really, really good as well. It smells like Play-Doh to me. It really gives me like Play-Doh vibes. And I like how, first of all, shout out to Target, because I like how they do their packaging. They'll literally like tape it up so that way none of your stuff spills out. Walmart, I feel like you need to catch up. First of all, can we talk about how Walmart prices have been very Target-ish lately? I don't like that. I had looked online for something and it was out of stock at Target, so I was like, okay, let me look on Walmart. Why was it a different price, and why was the price higher than Target price? Let's simmer down, baby. You you ain't Target, okay? Like, let's calm down. All right. But yeah, this right here is definitely good. I told y'all I was gonna get my own, and this is mine. And yeah, has a protective seal. Ugh. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm doing this thing where I don't want to move on to other products until I finish things up. You get what I'm saying? But this is a staple. This is a holy grail. So yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it. I got my Black Girl sunscreen. I got my deodorant that smells very feminine. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Why you smell like it? Hold on, am I tripping? I'm gonna let my brother smell it, and then I really don't feel like I'm tripping. Like, this smells very unisex. Maybe it could be I really don't feel like I'm tripping. Like, if a woman put this on, if I smelled a woman's deodorant from, like, you know, far, I would be like, oh, that smells nice. You know what I'm saying? I wonder, what does she wear? I would have never guessed it was like you could get it in the men's section. That's weird. This is weird to me. All right, TikTok. Well, y'all was right. It definitely does smell good, and I got it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Do you see the glow? Drink your water, okay? You have to get your face right, especially summertime coming up. You get what I'm saying? My birthday in the summer as well, you know what I'm saying? Turn up 24. Your girl gonna be 24. That don't make no sense. Oh Lord. Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla G. Why do I'm not finna make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And that's it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Please go get you some men deodorant. No, don't get you some men's deodorant because y'all gonna sell the shit out and I ain't got time. Stay your ass where you need to be. Thank you.